all. It is easier that way.
And of course, you forgot to say
yes.
You forgot to...
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll take him for a cup of coffee so that it can mitigate.
Yes. You know, the movie is coming up for here. Were you going to...
Yes, Amazing Gatia.
He's
already, yeah.
You know, the matter is coming up for hearing. However, on our part, you are not ready to proceed for the following reason. You know, at the time when the accused were arrested, there is a vehicle which was impounded, and it alleged the items which were recovered from the items were recovered from the... I think you see it, you can see it. The time when the vehicle was impounded, it alleged that there are certain items which were found in the said vehicle, and the said vehicle is also an exhibit in this case. However, we are not ready to proceed because on the face of the vehicle, the registration number was appearing as KCJ 411X. KCJ 411X. X. That's for Xavier. Yeah. However, Your Honor, upon the IO writing to the NTSA to get the details or the particulars of the owner, as from the chassis and the particulars appearing at NTSA, the registration number is 63 UN 307K. What is that one? It's the number plate, the number of that vehicle as per the chassis. And the chassis is 63 UN. 63 UN. And then 37K. Yes, Your Honor. And the IO wrote wrote a letter to the said NTSA wanting to get to know the particulars or the ownership of the said vehicle, but as of today, Your Honor, they say the details have not been furnished to us to be able to know who is the rightful owner of the said vehicle or whether there was any changes in terms of ownership. And being part of our exhibit that we intend to rely, Your Honor, we are requesting for an adjournment today as we try to get the details of the safe ownership of the safe vehicle first before we can proceed. That's all, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Ndegwa, as usual, Your Honor, there has been serious efforts from the state to create some sensational effects about this case. And that is why, Your Honor, you're being told the reason why we cannot proceed today is because there is a vehicle that is allegedly registered as a UN vehicle. That is 63 UN. You know, counsel has not informed you whether he has the witnesses before you. I indicated, Your Honor, and this will be betrayed by my learned friends, There is serious attempts by the state to create sensational effects or feelings to members of the public about this case. You've not been told whether, other than this, there were witnesses before you. When they abducted the accused persons, and I'm using the word abducted deliberately,
Slow down for the sake of my hand.
I'm obliged.
We're not told there are witnesses.
Yes. When they abducted, and I'm using the word abducted deliberately, the accused persons, and when they had the accused persons arraigned before you, subsequent to which this date was taken, the prosecution is presumed to have been aware of its facts, or is deemed to have been aware. And with the utmost respect, my learned friends whom I schooled with, Mr. Cosmas, that is not a sufficient ground because for adjournment, because they are the ones who dragged us to court. It's unfortunate that the state, despite the heavy taxation of Kenyans, they are not able to prepare their case and get it ready for hearing. We consider this an application for adjournment as an assault to Article 50 of the Constitution, and a delay that is not explained. They have done the searches as you've been indicated from the letter that counsel was referred to. And unless they have any other NTSA within or without the Republic, I don't see whether they'll receive any other results. We want to insist that we are ready to proceed with this case. And that the application for adjournment be declined, so we can safeguard the rights to a fair trial that the accused persons are entitled to. My colleagues will be traced on that.
Your Lordship, just two issues. This is a court of law guided by the rule of law and due process and the Constitution, and I wish to refer you to the preamble of the Constitution, Article 10, Clause 2E, Article 50, Clause 2E, Clause 2E, that the integrity of the process must be protected. And I will highlight that before I mention you the other articles. Once you arrest and you bring to court, the presumption is that you have laid a prima facie case against the accused persons. It means that you can take off. So you cannot arrest, take to court, then you seek for more time to beef up your investigation. Then you will be interfering with the doctrine of separation of powers, which gives autonomy to the investigators to do their work after they are convinced that this is a case which has met the threshold to take to court. They bring to the prosecutor who files it.